Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul, here at Joe Nall 2025. You know, when you come to the Nall, it's not just about seeing the airplanes that fly, it's about seeing the airplanes you can buy. Whether you're going to one of the vendors, buying something new in the box, or maybe someone's got something sitting around, partially built, maybe they've got an old kit, or you get something this spectacular sitting in front of us right now, highly detailed Airtruk. We've got the builder here. Sir, tell us your name.
Stan Bordelon.
Stan, tell us a little bit about the plane, about how you came, about the building and everything, and how you came into it. And what was your reason for choosing such a unique-looking aircraft?
Yeah, this airplane was actually built by Willie Holman, 1997. He was a master builder. He took this airplane to the 2001 Las Vegas National Championships. He won first place there with this airplane. And a gentleman by the name of George Vogelsang happened to be at the Nationals that year. And this airplane caught his eye, and George had to have it. So the gentleman was from Las Vegas. He crated this airplane up and shipped it to George Vogelsang down in Jupiter, Florida, where George owned it until he passed away in 2013, I believe. And this George's collection went to his son, Guts Vogelsang, and we were lucky enough to purchase this one out of the collection, as well as a few others.
And this is now for sale, is that correct?
It is for sale.
Tell us a little bit about the engine. What kind of engine does it have in there?
This has a Sato 300.
Sato 300, okay.
Yep, it's got a onboard glow system, Spectrum 9-channel receiver, all good servos in it. It's a fantastic airplane. One you may never see again, actually.
And it looks to be about a 120-inch wingspan, is that correct?
It is. It's 10-foot wingspan.
Fantastic there. Now, what is that door on the side? Does that little door open? The one, well, let's see, the one on the right over here.
Yeah, this one does not open, but this one does.
Let me come on that side over there. Folks, what's so unique about it, this plane actually carried a passenger in the back, the full size. And you can see in there, right there, let me see if I can zoom in for it. Bear with me one second there as we zoom in, folks. You can see where the passenger would actually sit. Let's try it different. Go ahead and open up that door one for me one more time there, sir. Okay, there we go. That's better. Fantastic. So it's my understanding with the full size, the way it worked with where you're standing right now in that open area, this was a crop duster they use in Australia. Is that correct?
That's correct. Here's where they would put their fertilizer or whatnot. This is a working candy drop as well, so you can drop candy from it.
And the truck would pull up where you were. The plane would stay running, and then they would just simply fill it up, and the truck would back away, and back up in the air, the plane would go.
Yep. Very
unique design. Folks, this plane is for sale. And sir, how can the people purchase this plane if they wish to buy it?
They can reach out to me. My phone number is 919-353-4053.
Give that number one more time, please, sir.
919-353-4053. My name is Stan.
Fantastic. Well,
just reach out.
Well, folks, this is a stunning aircraft. Very unique. You definitely won't find many Airtruks around. Beautiful airplane, and I don't doubt it's a great flyer. All right, friends, more to come.